Come closer. Do you know that Igbo language also have riddles just like English language? Yes. In Igbo, riddles are called agwụgwa. Agwụgwa. Some people also call it gwam gwam gwam. Let's check this one out. Gwam 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 ihe mere eze jiri rachaa ntụ. What is that thing that can make the king to lick ash? We know what ash is. The answer is ube. Ube. Pears. If you know the traditional way and the real way of roasting pears, you will understand. Subscribe for more. Thank you.